Now the MySQL WordPress database is installed, we need to update the server. To do this, use the command apt-get update and press enter. Now we will install some extra PHP extensions for WordPress. I've pasted the command in, but enter it as shown and then press enter. Enter Y for yes, and the extra extensions will be installed and configured. Now we need to restart Apache 2 so it knows about the new installed extensions. We do this with systemctl /restart Apache 2. We now need to make some more changes to the Apache 2 configuration file. Load this file in Vim. Scroll down to the bottom, and just above the line we added before, add the shown lines. Save and exit. Now we need to enable the rewrite module. This is accomplished with the command a2-en-mod rewrite. Finally, we need to restart Apache with the command that we've used a few times before.